policies, I mean, people can create us.
Martin,